Okay. We're addressing State of Utah versus Donald Cassidy. Case number is 201-403-032. We've got Mr. Cassidy present, Mr. Benjamin present, counsel for the state. Ms. Mills, is this your case? Or is it Mr. Okay. I show we still have a trial date for April 15th, 17th, and 18th. We can set cutoffs for jury instructions now if you'd like to.
Sure, I'm prepared for that.
Okay, why don't we have you submit your instructions the Friday before, which is going to be, I'll tell you right now, it will be the 11th before 5 p.m. I want you to submit a stipulated set of jury instructions. For those instructions that you cannot stipulate, that you're disagreeing on, please submit competing instructions, and then I'll resolve them. I'll look at them over the weekend, and we'll address them first thing during a break. If there are any motions in limine, I want those filed a month prior to the trial. So you're going to file any motions in limine no later than March 14th before 5 p.m. And that way I'll know what the motions are. If I can rule on them without oral argument, I will. If there are just a few of them, we'll rule on them maybe the first day of trial after 5 o'clock. We'll address them at that time. What else, if anything, do we need to address for Mr. Cassidy's case?
I've got a couple questions.
Say that again, Mr. Cassidy.
I have a couple questions for you.
For the court or for Mr.
Court, yes. They are court questions. So according to the court docket, you were my prelim judge on 3/10/21. Is that correct?
Which judge?
You were.
What are you talking about, a hearing?
Yes. No, the prelim. You were the prelim judge.
On this case?
Yes. On 3/10/21.
I believe I was, but let me look.
And Mr. Cassidy, I would just advise you to not address the court. I can help you with your questions.
I sent you, Paige, and you haven't addressed the court, so I'm addressing. This is a case matter. Just chillax.
Okay, I'll chillax. Great.
Thank you.
You give me the date again. 3/10/21.
3/10/21.
What's the follow-up question from this, Mr. Cassidy?
With you being the prelim judge, as a matter of law, you cannot be the trial judge, so you must recuse yourself from this case. You will be acting under absolute conflict of interest.
All right, why don't you have Mr. Benjamin write that motion up and file it? I believe it's incorrect, but
that is correct. It's a matter of law.
Well, we can argue it, but you have him file that motion, and I'll rule on that motion. If you want to file a motion to recuse based on that, why don't you discuss it with Mr. Benjamin, and you can file that.
Contact me. And also, my second question is, who's Donald Ross Cassidy, born 7/7/76? That is also the name on my court docket for this case, which I am not Donald Ross Cassidy. I'm Donald Lunnen Cassidy, Jr., age 2272.
You can file a motion based on that as well to correct it if there's a mistake.
There is no correct. There's two ways we can go about this, Judge. We can go about this, we can recuse you, or we can dismiss the case with prejudice. You got two choices.
Well, I don't know if that's...
There's 4 years of being Donald Ross Cassidy when I'm not Donald Ross Cassidy.
All right.
if I were you, I'd check the law.
Okay, I'll do that, Mr. Cassidy, but thank you for advising me on the law. I'll do
I
that.
want you recused because you are working in absolute conflict of interest because your son-in-law is Chief Troy Beebe of Provo PD.
I don't need the argument now. I've got 60 other people waiting. So if you want to file that motion, file the motion. Have Mr. Benjamin file it. And Mr. Benjamin, are you able to hear the court?